Alright everyone, looking at Maker. So Maker, this chart is a complete mess here. So we're gonna clean this thing up and restart. So what is going on with Maker? We're just gonna simply draw our fib and see what it tells us. So if we draw our fib from that low to the high here, let me zoom in so we can actually see if there's actually a wick down here. It doesn't look like it with the naked eye, so you gotta kind of scroll in. Yeah, there's a wick there. So let's get this thing started here. Alright, so looking at Maker, if that is your top there, you can see you do have almost a sell signal on the MACD here. The blue is about to cross below the orange there. So watch the 236 here at 831. You are currently at 838. I would say if you lose 831, you can see your 21-day moving average is also here and your 200. So if you lose this area here, where's the 200? The 200 is down here at about 814. So 814 to 830 is the price to hold. But just kind of gauge it by the 236 here. If you lose the 236, you're probably going to have that bearish cross here, and this thing's going to start moving down, which just gives you the information that the momentum is to the downside. The RSI is coming up on the 50 here, so that is not a good sign. So if you have that cross there and these things start to move down and cross below these yellow lines here, then you're probably going to hit these lower price targets and lose all this support that you do have on Maker. So just kind of watch that there. If we look at the Heikinashi candles, we're printing deep red now, so it has the trend to the downside. So yeah, I would watch the 236 here. We're going to go ahead and draw a box right here. So anywhere from this 831 down here to about 814, this is the box, the price area to hold here. So as long as you hold this box, 814 to 831, you're still good to bounce and move higher. But other than that, it looks good. I mean, you're making higher highs here, higher lows. But one thing to point out, another bearish indication that you may be going down. You can see if we draw a trend line there, and then we draw one here on the RSI for the same time frame. You can see that we have bearish divergence here. So that is not a good sign there. So that may have been your top, and you may be coming down. So watch this box to hold. You lose this box, we'll just go ahead and measure this here. If you end up losing this box, you'll lose the 21 and the 200, and you'll come down here to your 382 at 755 for about a 9.5% drop. But you still may catch your 50-day EMA at some point in the middle here, kind of like you did back here for support and then bounce. So just kind of keep an eye on all those little prices there. But the fact that it looks bearish at the moment, but it does have a lot of support here. So if you end up losing the 755, then you know you've lost all your support and all your EMAs. Even if you're down here sitting at 755 on a 382, I would say it's pretty bearish, and you'll probably end up not holding that price there, and then you drop down here to the 690 level at your 0.5. So just watch this box here to hold, and if for some reason you bounce at this box, you can see if you end up bouncing here, that would be a good sign that you're going to move higher, and your next stop is 971 up here for about a 15.5% move to the top. So the big thing to watch and take out of this update here on Maker is just watch this box from 814 to 831 needs to hold. If you break that, then there's no telling how well this thing's going to go, especially like I said, if you're down here at 755. So we'll leave it at that. Not financial advice. Thanks for watching, everyone. Peace out.